Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Samara. In this video guys, I am simply going to show you guys how I do my vision boards and how I basically get prepared for the new year. This is something that I do every year with my family. So I'm super excited for you guys to be a part of this, and hopefully you guys are able to do it just as well, or maybe just something to watch for you to do. But before I get into this video guys, please go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, F-R-E-E. As well as guys, if you are looking forward to more Forex videos, HFX, also known as binary options, as well as any further Forex content, just go ahead and go subscribe to your girl's channel. As well as go follow me on social media such as my Instagram, TikTok, as well as Snapchat. And then go ahead, if you haven't already, go subscribe to my other channel, which is another investment channel, simply other than Forex, HFX, all that other stuff that is on this channel here. But let's get into it. Alright guys, so before we actually get into my actual vision board, I just wanted to show you guys some small clips of me and my family just kind of gathering around and just kind of prepping of what we do for our vision boards. This is something that we do as a family. It's like a tradition thing that we do, part of our activities. And yeah, I just wanted you guys to kind of feel the vibe, just kind of see, you know, what we do and things like that. In this video, some of my family were in the living room and then some were at the dining room, so you may not see everyone there, but you know, I wasn't really focused on the camera. I just wanted you guys get like a little snippet of how like we prepare things and stuff like that. But let's get into the small clips. Let us know. You want to tell us something?
Blue fire. Hey, God is great. God is great. Thank y'all. Merry Christmas. We're looking forward to a good 2022. Do you in 2022.
I know that's right. Something that me and my family do is once we finish with our vision boards and things like that, after we eat and stuff, especially on Christmas Day, we always like to go and like just make it like a talent show in a way. So we get our boards from like the year before, like, so basically we'll get the board that's for this year, and then we'll get the board that we just created for next year, which is 2022. And basically we'll just kind of go over, and I'll show you guys like my vision board or whatever, but basically we'll like go over that recent vision board, and we'll kind of go over like what we wanted to do, and after that it's kind of like a reflection, so we can kind of just say, you know, we were getting better at being more grateful for certain things, you know, stuff like that. And then going into the new year, we'll present our new board and kind of show like what we want to do better, what we want to get, what, you know, what we want to just do all in all for the new year coming up. This is my vision board for 2021. And yeah, it's a little ratchet. The 2022 vision board is definitely an upscale. I would say it is kind of aesthetic type of thing. I tried to do a little bit better, but oh well. So this is my vision board, and it just like kind of just goes over everything that I wanted to accomplish. I want to say all in all, guys, I was able, by the grace of God, I was able to fulfill everything that I wanted to fulfill for 2021. I got my dream car at an affordable cost with low miles. And it's the exact same car. It's so crazy. I didn't even realize that I got the same car that I wanted on my vision board. I gotta stop, y'all. Let me get myself together. Jesus. Okay, I'm back. I don't want to cry, but I just want to say that going into pharmacy school, not really knowing what type of job I was going to have, because, you know, professional school is just so tough. College itself is just tough. And with my support team, with my family and friends supporting me 24/7, with my boyfriend, it has been helpful. But the most thing that has been so helpful is God himself. When I moved to Jacksonville for my clinicals, I was looking for a very nice, luxurious apartment. And I was presented with this apartment. Getting my passport was something else too, because when I graduate in 2022, guys, I plan on traveling more. That is something big for me. I plan on, what is the word? Self-discovery. And altogether, I feel like my life has been concluded with school. And since I've done school, now my life is concluded with school, investments, right? And not just that, it's also concluded with my social life, my family, and my love life. So I don't really necessarily have a self, if that makes sense. And so in 2022, I know I'm already like kind of pushing forward, but I wanted to travel, and I was able to get my passport. I will be a doctor of pharmacy at the age of 24. And that is something very big, something very huge. And I want to basically make the rest of my 20s memorable and fun, as well as business oriented, because you guys know I like to take care of business, stay on top of things. But I really want to find myself truly, who is Samara Chenier? So that's something that I am very big on going into the new year. You guys were able to get me to 10,000 subscribers. Not even 10,000, but we're at literally 30,000 subscribers. And you guys have been so supportive. And yeah, you guys continue to allow me to strive to be better and to be a great YouTuber for you all. I don't even call this YouTube, honestly. I just call this a community. We're really a community. And you know, when I graduate, guys, you guys don't understand how much stuff I am so excited to do for you all, and just to help you guys succeed too. Okay. So going into the new year, guys, so this is my board. I just want you guys to see. I don't want to necessarily show you guys like the whole thing of my vision board, simply because there's some things on there that is kind of personal to me. And then on top of that, there's some stuff on here that I don't want you guys to see, because I want to be able to announce it to you guys without you guys like already knowing, if that makes sense. I just want to continue growing our community, guys. That's a huge milestone for me. Something else that I want to add onto this channel is trading cryptocurrencies. I always tell you guys all the time that Forex is something that you can have as an extra side hustle, as something that can give you some revenue to help further your investments into whatever you have a real passion for. I don't want you to ever think that, oh my gosh, you know, Forex, I'm about to quit my job. You don't have to quit your job. Me personally, I'm not quitting pharmacy. I know you guys are like watching my pockets, because I see a lot of y'all in the comments talking about, oh my gosh, you know, you're about to be a doctor. Why are you doing this and blah, blah, blah. I love to help people. That's something that I like to do. I cannot see myself being at home and being on the charts. Like, I don't see my life doing that. Like, no. If I stay stagnant, I will go crazy. Okay, so I want you guys to really, if you haven't already, create a manual vision board. Go get you some magazines, go get you some pictures from the internet, whatever, and place that on your vision board. Y'all need to realize how powerful it is to see, to envision it, and to be positive and breathe that information. Every day that you wake up, you look at that board and it's like, that makes your day, because that's what you're working hard to. So I want you guys to be very consistent. Next year is about to be a great year. So I want you guys to get that seatbelt, buckle up, because it's about to be a ride. I'm super excited about it. I'm excited that you guys are a part of my journey, and hopefully down the line, I can be a part of you guys' journey. So that concludes this video, guys. I hope this video was very, you know, I wouldn't even say informative, but just inspirational. I just really think vision boards are just so powerful. Like, it's very powerful to see something every day, and then when you see it in reality in your hands, it's just that feeling. It's just wonderful.